The small tag makes the text on your web page smaller than the surrounding text. Here's an example. This is smaller text. Okay, no, right now it's going to be rendered normally, but if I want to make this smaller, I'd put the small tag and then the closing small tag after the text that I want to make small. So as you can see, this text is slightly smaller than the surrounding text. You can embed small tags inside other text formatting tags, but keep in mind that you must close the tags in reverse order that you open them. You can assign CSS properties to the small tag, but I will discuss that in the CSS tutorial.